Hello, I'm Risto Hinno and I work in Minister of Economic Affairs and Communications. I deal with public service quality improvement. Subject for today is analytics. There are many definitions of analytics, but usually this means analyzing data in some way to reduce uncertainty. Analytics is multidisciplinary. This is a very wide field and includes inspecting, cleaning, transforming, modeling, visualizing data, and making decisions based on data. It is not so much looking only individual analysis, but deals more with the whole process. Usually people think that data analytics means PhDs doing some boring mathematical modeling. It is not so. Mathematics is only one part of the analytics. It is important that the whole process of analytics brings value. You might have the world's greatest algorithms, but if you cannot communicate it to people who make decisions, it is a useless process. So, it is important not to undermine so-called soft values. One important rule for analytics is that you must do some decision after analysis has brought some results. If you already know what you're going to do, then no analysis is needed. If results differ from your idea, you are probably not going to change your mind. It is sadly usual in public sector that something is analyzed to confirm our gut feeling. When analysis doesn't support it, people tend to think that analysis was flawed. It is not worth trying to waste time and money on that. Most important role for analysts is to make accurate analysis that predicts, explains world accurately. Its aim is not to make analyses that are consistent with popular opinion. It is difficult to achieve, especially when you're under pressure. But giving up and producing results that everybody expects gives only short-term value. If you are easily manipulated, your value as an analyst is fading away. And nobody wants an analyst who is easily manipulated. Well, probably there are some lobbyists who do. One myth that I already debunked is that analytics involves only heavy math and only geeks do it. Analytics is more mix of science and art. You have question what to answer if you're lucky, but how to answer it? Or is it really the question we should answer? No equation tells you if it's right question or not. This is where the creativity comes into place. Different opinions give different perspective and also might give you better results. Another thing against geek image is that it has to be related to real life. Having a bunch of PhDs sitting in closed room doing fancy analysis is not bringing value. First, do they really know what is reality behind the problem? How working processes are organized? It needs constant interaction with people working in the field. Secondly, sitting away brings problems with results. Do people really feel that results are okay? Or do they think that results were made by people who are far away from reality? Interacting with people helps to achieve greater acceptance of results. I already said that analytics is wide field, but it doesn't have to be difficult. Machine learning, big data are fancy words, but very simple methods and small amount of data might bring great value. For example, if you don't know what might be the mean height of people in some remote island, then getting one height might give you some insight. If you thought before that they all must be 2 meters tall, and you have data that the one you saw was just 1.7 meters tall, you might reconsider your guess. Maybe only this one person is very short, so you're not very certain what is the average height, but you know at least that one of them is shorter than 2 meters. When you have no previous knowledge, even small amount of data might have tremendous value. In conclusion, I want to say that analytics is a wide and important field. It has failed many times and learned from failings to make more accurate analysis. The aim is to reduce uncertainty to make better decisions, not to use most advanced technologies and algorithms to make fanciest analysis. Wish you sharp mind doing your analysis.